हैं रेणु डी सिंह जी, जो लंबे टाइम से हमारी जो लीगल एडवाइस है आंगनवाड़ी संगठन की। तो आज हमने जो हमारा सुप्रीम कोर्ट का मुद्दा चला आ रहा है, जिसमें कि हम लोग केस फाइल करने वाले हैं, तो उसमें हमारी बहुत सारी चर्चाएं हुई हैं और जो लीगल प्रोसीजर है हमारा, उस बारे में हमारी बात हुई है रेणु दीदी से। और मैं चाहूँगी कि रेणु दीदी भी आप लोगों से बात करें, और ताकि आप इनके विचार भी समझें और किसी बात का डर या घबराएं नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ निश्चित तौर से हमें कोर्ट से केस जरूर मिलेगा, क्योंकि भारत का हमारा जो संविधान है वो कहीं ना कहीं जो हम लोग जमीनी स्तर पे कार्य करने वाले कर्मचारी हैं उनके हक में होगा, और जो नए कानून है उसका लाभ हमें मिलेगा।
थैंक यू सो मच सुशीला जी। नमस्कार आप सभी को, एंड आई एम एडवोकेट रेणु डी सिंह, एज सुशीला जी हैज टोल्ड. It's a very important issue, I should say, that we as Anganwadi Karkatris have to get together, get united and get mobilized, because you all are fighting. It's true, your struggle is too long, your struggle is very tough also. But until unless you all come on the same dais, you all come under the same umbrella, if you are united, believe me, no power can make you perish. Okay, so your demand for state worker is not illegal, because you all have to believe one thing, that you are putting your labor and your hard earned labor and time is going into Anganwadi's duty. Secondly, it's also a very true thing, and we all have to accept that Indian Constitution does say that for equal work there has to be equal wages also. Okay, and this is not just in the air, it's on the record and it's in the Constitution of India. And as a lawyer and their legal advisor, I would suggest that you all get together. Do not have any hesitation. When you go to the court, it's actually better than going for morcha, because court is given to all of us and we can go and take our grievances and our issues, and those are very much within the constitutional parameter. Your demands should not be outside or beyond constitutional parameter, right? So if we are asking for something which is within constitutional parameter, Constitution has already given us, but it is not reaching us. So we need to access in such case. So we are accessing Supreme Court now, and I think it's high time we do, because there are new laws and our government also supports the new era laws. Now, if we want to really sustain and survive as civilized developed country, where gender is respected, where gender is given the equal powers, equal rights, equal privileges, equal benefits, then we have to tell the court, no, the court will take cognizance only when we go and access and when we request them. So our appeal in Supreme Court will definitely, this will be a wonderful work, and Sushila ji is doing excellent by leading the whole movement. So it's a peaceful movement. We do not demand anything which is outside constitutional parameters. So please get together. Please come on the same dais. It's very important. Each one for each one. You know, every woman, every Anganwadi Karkatri is important. You don't think that others are going, so I don't need to go. No, you all have to be there, because number matters. We all decided that all the Anganwadi Karkatris at national level, they do deserve to get the status of a state worker. Whereas as Anganwadi worker, till now they are not given any state worker status, and therefore they are being deprived of so many benefits which they actually should get. They are doing more than 10 services under this one umbrella called Anganwadi. Anganwadi duties are so extensive, and it's the hard work they put into it, and still they end up at 40 years age as retired person with no gratuity, no pension, nothing. So this was the point. So we spoke about हमारा जो इंटरनेशनल ILO कन्वेंशन है, वी स्पोक अबाउट ILO कन्वेंशन, दैट इज इंटरनेशनल लेबर राइट्स के बारे में है. सो इंडिया एक्चुअली इज अ सिग्नेटरी कंट्री फॉर ILO, and when international convention of ILO took place, it also makes it mandatory that Anganwadi Karkatris should be equal wages for equal work. They are capable of that. So equal wages, equal work के लिए हमने आगे बात करी. तो हमने पहले सोचा कि हम हाई कोर्ट से जाएं, लेकिन एक ही बात आ रही थी कि नहीं, ये तो पॉलिसी है, सो यू कैन नॉट चैलेंज इट इन दी हाई कोर्ट. हम 2 बार रेट के लिए, मैं इनके रेट्स वगैरह भी देखती हूँ. सो देन वी डिसाइडेड दैट वी शुड मूव टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट, एंड सुशीला खत्री टुक द लीड. When last meeting took place in Delhi, Sushila Khatri was with more than 70,000 women and all were Anganwadi workers, and Sushila Khatri took the lead and she inspired and she motivated and she also called for all the women to come together and go for Supreme Court writ. So right now we are heading towards that and almost reached there, and we are very sure that Supreme Court is also going to consider it, because ये सिर्फ सवाल पॉलिसी का सरकार के बीच का नहीं है. सरकार आएगी जाएगी, पॉलिसी रहेगी या पॉलिसी नहीं भी रहेगी या पॉलिसी बढ़ेगी, लेकिन सवाल है कि लाखों महिलाओं का इतना भविष्य इसमें है जो अपने जीवन के प्राइम ईयर्स, बिकॉज ऑल द आंगनवाड़ी कार्यकर्त्रीज गिव देयर प्राइम ईयर्स ऑफ देयर लाइफ एज आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर, एंड व्हाट एट द एंड एट 40 years they get, that is really pathetic. That is where we are working, and it's a human right also. You cannot exploit somebody on the name of gender, कि सिर्फ क्योंकि वो वुमेन है तो आप उसको कह रहे हैं कि हमने बहुत एहसान करा, यू केम एज आंगनवाड़ी एंड वर्क. सो एंड इतनी सर्विसेज अगर सरकार को किसी और से लेनी है एक अम्ब्रेला के नीचे, तो उन्हें कितने सारे एम्प्लॉयज रखने होंगे, कितना बड़ा बजट होगा. सो थिंकिंग ऑल अबाउट दिस, आई थिंक वी आर गोइंग टू गेट सक्सेसफुल, एंड दिस सक्सेस डेफिनेटली the credit would go to Sushila Khatri as a leader, and I want all of you to give a big hand to Sushila Khatri and salute. And I hope I have conveyed the message very well, and thank you so much. Please get together, please get mobilized and keep united. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
जय हिंद.